Good morning, friends. We are here to study chapter 4 of NCERT. The name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Ideas. Okay. We study the definition of geometry. The word geometry comes from the word geometron, where geo means earth and metron means measurement. Measurement of earth. Okay. Geometry. We study the point. A point determines a location. How we discuss in the lecture. We study a line segment. What is the significance of a line segment? How a shortest route represented by the line segment. Today we are going to study a line. Friends, we study line segment. Study. What is right here? Imagine that a line segment from A to B. Imagine that a line segment from A to B. Okay. That is AB. AB. You have 2 points. You join these 2 points, you get a line. Line segment. This is line segment. Line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in other direction. Okay. If you extend the line segment up to infinity, there is no limit, friend. Line segment has no limit. Line has no limit. Line segment is of particular measurement. Line segment has particular measurement, but line has no measurement. It is beyond, comes from one way from infinity, another way from infinity. There is no measurement of a line. Line is going on and on to anywhere, everywhere. There is no limit. Line has no limit, but line segment has a limit. So line segment is more important for us. Let's see this line segment and line on GeoGebra software. Right? You know that you study what is a point. This is a point. This is another point. This is line segment. When we join these 2 points, you get a line segment. And what is a line? Friend, line is just going on. In this line, suppose we name this line. Suppose we name this line. This line is line L. We name it line L. On this line L, there are 2 points A and B. Okay. Suppose let's take another line. Let's take, friend, another line from this to this. This is another line, friend. If we name this line, suppose we name this line M. This is line M. This is line L, line M. Friend, at this point, at point B, line M, line L and line M, line L and line M meets or intersect. Therefore, this point B is what we call this point B. This is the intersecting point. And these line L and line M are intersecting lines between each other. Okay. Let's take another line. Friends, let's take another line. Another line which is like this. like this, friend. We take a line like this, DE. Okay. We take another line like this, F and G. Okay. Friend, these two lines, these two lines are called parallel lines. Suppose this line is line N, where point D and E. Another line is line O. This is line O, where point F and G. Friends, you can define a line from 2 points. If you join those 2 points, you get a line segment, and you extend these line segment, you get a line. Okay. These two lines are never intersecting. They are never intersecting. Intersecting means they never intersect at anywhere. These lines are called, which are never intersecting, are called parallel lines. Okay. These lines are called parallel lines. Comes to the lecture. This is okay. We get a line by extending the line segment. Next is intersecting line. You come across intersecting line like this. This is a crossing rod example, friend. This you can represent a line. This is another line. This is a crossing point. What we call chauraha. Chauraha as well. This crossing point. This is another alphabet X. This is the intersecting point. Okay. Let's say O. These two lines L1 and L2 intersecting at this point O. Point O is the intersecting point. This is the two adjacent edges. Right? This is your notebook or book. And if you represent this edge by a line L2 and this edge by a line L1, the intersecting point is one of the corner of your book. One of the corner of book is your intersecting point. Okay, friend. Friend, this is parallel line. You study intersecting here. Here you can see this line, DE. This line. This is like your bed. Friend, this is like your bed or table's leg of your bed or table. These legs are parallel. They are never intersecting. Right? These are parallel. You can say DE. D is a line segment is parallel with AH. These are parallel. This is the sign of parallel. You can make a sign of parallel by two vertical lines. Okay. All these legs are parallel with each other. Okay. They never intersect. If you extend their point, even then they are never intersecting. Friends, here also we have an example of parallel lines. This edge represent with a line and this edge represent by a line. These two lines, suppose L1 and L2, they are never intersecting, means they are parallel. Here a crossbar of a window. These line segments are also parallel. Friends, here are example of rail lines where train will run. These rail lines are also parallel. Okay. You see other example in your near and write in the comment section. And another very important thing is ray. Friend, this is line segment AB. This is line segment AB. If you extend both the point, then you get line. If you extend only one side, then you get ray. This is ray. Friend, this is fixed point A. This is called source point. Like this is a torch, friend. This is a source point where these rays came, and their rays go along and infinity. There is no limitation from one side.